Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I am making one of my favorite desserts. However, I'm doing it with a twist, making it a little healthier. I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, today's video, I am making a Leches cake. I hope I'm saying that right, or some people call it a milk cake. And what I did was just get a box of just regular cake mix and just added my little spin to it. So as you guys can see right now, I'm adding water. I added some eggs. I added a scoop of vanilla protein powder. And I'm also going to use just a little bit of vegetable oil, and I also used olive oil. Just everything that's needed as far as the directions on the cake box. However, I just added some protein powder to it to make it, you know, more with protein. So guys, this milk cake, Leches cake, is one of my favorite desserts. And to be honest guys, this was my first time making it with protein powder. I've actually made it one time before, and my mother, she has made it for me 2 other times. And guys, let me tell you what happened. So one day, me and my husband had did a day trip out of town, and just so happened we stumbled upon this Mexican restaurant. And when we went in, we decided to get dessert, and they brought us a Leches cake. And guys, let me tell you, that cake was so good and it was so moist. And that was my first time ever having a Leches cake, and I absolutely fell in love. To be honest with you, I was like, wow, this is really, really good, because it was sweet, it was moist, and I really enjoyed it. Let's just say that. So I've gone to other restaurants and other food places and ordered the Leches cake. They haven't been quite as good as that particular one that I had. I'm not sure, it's one of those things, you know, when it's the first time you experience something, nothing else is like it. Either way, I decided, you know what? Anytime I go anywhere to have me a dessert, that's going to be my go-to dessert. So I was like, I want to start making my own. So this is my first time making it. I'm going to find other ways to make it a little bit more healthier. Maybe I will try to make it all from scratch. But this time, like I said, I just used a regular cake mix box. I only used a little bit of vegetable oil, and the rest I used olive oil. And I added a scoop of vanilla protein powder. So maybe next time I make it, I might do half and half. We will see. So what I did was I made some cupcakes, and I'm also going to make a loaf pan of it. And the reason why I decided to make cupcakes, because I was like, you know what guys, whenever you're on a weight loss journey or fitness journey or trying to just really watch what you eat, I don't want to overindulge. So I was like, you know what, this is a dessert of mine that I really enjoy, and I don't have it often. And I was like, okay, since I'm going to make it at home, I'm going to make it into cupcakes. And by me making it into cupcakes, it's portion size. Portion control. Portion control is key for me right now. And it's a journey, and I'm learning. And yeah, guys, I will do another video to go more in depth about what's been going on as far as my weight loss journey. I actually gained over 20 pounds, guys. But you know what? I'm working on getting it together and just learning my struggles and moving along. So guys, yeah. So this is me now buttering the loaf pan, because I made a small loaf. It's pretty simple to do. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. My husband enjoyed the cake as well. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of this video. And guys, put in the comments if you do have a favorite dessert, or if you do like Leches cake or milk cake. If you do, put in the comments, let me know how you make it. And if you do have a favorite dessert and you might tweak it a little bit to make it healthier, make sure you put the recipe down below. Alright guys, I'm going to let you guys continue to enjoy this video.